Happy Labor Day, everybody. Had to do some maintenance on the Jenny trailer. It hasn't had a bath in about 3 years. Shame on me. So I took it over to your local do-it-yourself car wash. Gave her a squirt. Brought her home. Forgot that I had left this battery in it and connected, so it was as dead as a doornail. So I got the other little battery that I used to fire up the old 41 over there. Bought that in February of 21. We're running really well. It's like we're about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 pounds of pressure, maybe a little less. We got 3 amps charging the battery in line. Then I connected my battery charger. It started charging that battery at like 1 amp, and it slowly crept up to 6. To get a full charge, it's going to have to go to 8 amps and then back down to 1 amp. That's the way these old solid state automatic chargers work. But I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to run the PE197. There's now 145.3 hours on it since new. 145 hours. I think it's just amazing. If you figure there's a possible there we go. As I was saying, there's a possible 2,080 hours of possible work time in the year. So 145 hours since reconditioned or new, that's nothing. I got the frequency meter. She was pushing it a little bit too many cycles. So you can see that that middle finger is wiggling left and right on about 61. Now it's right on 60 cycles. We don't want to push too much more than that. Yeah, if you go over to another YouTube channel by the name of The Wrench Guy, I'll put a link in the description. Mike has one of these, and he's trying to sell it for $400. I think it's a great price. So anyway, I haven't made a video in a long time, and that's it. Ooh, quick update. A buddy of mine rescued several of these Ben-Hur trailers. One of them was really in bad shape, and we can see that the tailgate chain and pin for mine are gone. I'm using a bolt here and luck on this side. So one of the Ben-Hur trailers he rescued had the chains on it. He very skillfully cut them off with a cutoff wheel and sent them to me. So I'll make a video of them being glued back onto the trailer. Anyway, That's it. Hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching my video.